in this video, we'll talk about sieve analysis. Sieve analysis. So in this video, we'll talk about the concepts of sieve analysis, and we'll try to discuss some of the concepts of sieve analysis which are very necessary to discuss. So sieve analysis is a technique that is used to determine the particle sizes of coarse type of soils. It means this technique is used to determine the size of sand particles, that how much the soil contains sand particles, how much percentage of gravels is there in soil, and how much percentage of fine content is there in soil. So the purpose of sieve analysis is to determine the size of gravel particles or percentage of gravels, then the percentage of sand and the percentage of fine. So this is the purpose of sieve analysis. So as the name indicates, it consists of some sieves which contain the different openings of different diameters. So whenever a soil passes through a certain sieve of certain diameter, then it means a soil is having particles diameter less than the diameter of the sieve. So now firstly we need to understand that in the sieve analysis we have different sieves. Like for example, we have sieve number 4, sieve number 10, we have sieve number 16, we have sieve number and so on. We have sieve number 40, we have sieve number 50 and sieve number 200. So these are different nomenclatures of sieves. So these nomenclatures are defined based on the diameter of openings of the sieve. For example, if a sieve is named after sieve number 4, it means it has, what is the meaning of sieve number? So we'll try to discuss about the conceptual meaning of sieve number. For example, if a sieve is called as sieve number 4, it means it has 4 number of openings in 1 linear inch. There are 4 number of openings. So if there are 4 number of openings in 1 linear inch dimension, not in diagonal dimension, in 1 inch linear dimension, then a sieve is called as sieve number 4. If there are 10 number of openings in 1 linear inch, then a sieve is named as sieve number 10. Similarly, if there are 16 number of openings in 1 linear inch dimension, then a sieve is called as sieve number 16, and so on. Now, I define the size of sieve number 4 as 4.75 mm. We define the size of sieve number 4 as 4.75 mm. It means that one clear opening of sieve number 4 is millimeter. So let's try to calculate it. That by definition, as we said, that in 1 linear inch for sieve number 4, there are 4 number of openings. 4 openings. If we want to determine the size of one opening, then it can be done as one opening will be equal to 1/4 inch, and if we want to convert this value into millimeter, it comes out to be 6.25 mm. So it means size of one opening size is 6.25 mm, but in actual the size of clear opening is 4.75 mm for sieve number 4. Why this difference is exists, it is due to the reason that in sieves there is a mesh in between the clear openings. So it means if a sieve number 4 is having 4 openings in 1 inch, then there is some size of mesh size or wire. So if we exclude that size, then the size of clear opening for sieve number 4 will be 4.75 mm. Similarly, in every sieve, we cannot apply this calculation because size of mesh will be changed for every sieve. So therefore, we define that the size of clear opening of sieve number 4 is 4.75 mm, not 6.25 mm, not 6.25 mm, and the reason I have explained here. Now, if I want to define the gravel, as I defined the gravel in our previous video, that the particles that are having size greater than 4.75 mm are known as gravels. Now, in terms of sieve number, I can define gravel content as the particles which are retained on sieve number are known as gravels. So here we came to know a new definition of gravel content, that is the particles which are retained on sieve number 4 are known as gravels. It is the same definition as we defined in our previous video, that was the particles having size greater than 4.75 mm are known as gravels. Now, the fine content, similarly, the size of sieve number 200 is 0.075 mm. The size of clear opening of sieve number 200 is 0.0, sieve number 200 is 0.075 mm. So now we can define fine content as the particles that are passing sieve number 200 are known as fine content, or as we defined in our previous video, the particles that are having size less than 0.075 mm are known as fine content. So in terms of sieve number, we can define fine content as the particles which are passing from sieve number 200 are known as fine content. And similarly, the particles which passes from sieve number 4 and retained on sieve number 200 are known as sand particles, as we defined the range of sand particles as 4.75 to 0.075 mm. So here we came to know the new definition of gravels, sand and fine content. So using this, we compile the sieves in this order, then we place the soil and we shake it, and we determine that how much percentage of soil is retained on each sieve. So this is how we came to know that if 10% of the soil is retained on sieve number 4, then we say that 10% of the soil is containing gravel content. Then if 30% of the soil is passing from sieve number 200, then we define that our soil contains 30% fine content, or our soil, 30% of our soil is having diameter less than 0.075 mm. And then if we have 10% gravels and 30% fines, then it means we have 60% sand particles which are having sizes 4.7 to 0.075 mm. So this is how we use sieve analysis to determine the percentage sand, percentage gravel and percentage fine. Now what we do in sieve analysis, we take a representative soil sample. If our soil sample in a visual inspection is not containing too much gravel content, then we take 300 to 500 gram soil sample, 300 to 500 gram soil sample. We compile all the sieves in this order, then we place our soil and we shake it for a while, and then we determine the mass of soil retained on each sieve. So in the next video, we'll try to know that how we perform the sieve analysis. We already have discussed in our previous videos the procedure of sieve analysis, but here we'll discuss some concepts of sieve analysis. So in the next video, we'll try to discuss about the procedure of sieve analysis in a detail. So thank you and take care.